Very early in the morning. Shanice is. What are you doing, Shan? Show to Papa what you're doing. Show to Papa first. What's that?
Planting.
Watering the...
Watering the plant.
Okay. Come on. Show it to us. Very good. So happy, Shan, that you know how to water the plants.
Ay, dito.
Galing ka mag-Tagalog, ah. Nagtatagalog ka na, Shan? Oo. Opo. Oh. Dilig ka pa. Dilig is water. Dilig. Water the plants. Gusto mo magdilig? Okay. Step closer. Yan. Sige pa. Okay. Amazing, huh? Mas matagal yung trabaho, ano? Yay! Good.